Hey guys, welcome to Pro Tech Review. Today I want us to unbox a Galaxy A03s, the new release which was just released here in August 21st. So this is Samsung Galaxy A03s, which is next to Samsung Galaxy A03. So I want us to unbox this phone. We say because I consider this one to be the nice phone for this month. So if you want a budget phone to buy on this month of October, you can consider buying this phone because it's cheap. It comes with 3 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM. So let's do unboxing, then we check. So this phone, if you are to buy this one, it comes with a seal here. You have to make sure that it has this seal so that you don't get a second copy of this phone. So in box we find only this user guide menu and this old type of headsets. This is the old type of Samsung headsets. Then we also have this fast charging charger, 15 watts. Then we have also cable type C, USB cable type C. Yeah, so put this one aside, and this SIM ejector. This is the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Let's open this one. So this one comes with a fingerprints embedded here on the power button. So to talk on this phone design, it comes here on the right side. It has a volume buttons and a power button, also the fingerprints. Yeah, then to talk on the below side, we have the speaker and the USB type C and a microphone here, mouthpiece, and a 3.5mm jack. Then on the screen here, it has a display of 6.5 with a 720 times 1600 pixels. So on the front screen, it has a camera of 5 megapixel with a 2.2 focal point or focal length. Then on the back side, it has triple cameras. These triple cameras, it has the first one here with a 13 megapixel with a f2.2 wide. Then on the second one here, it has 2 megapixel with a f2.2 micro. Then the last one, it has 2 megapixel with f2.4 depth. Yeah, so this one, it can also record 1080 video with 30 frames per second. So on the same backside, it has flashlight also. So let's go ahead and we switch this phone on, then we check what it can do. now the phone is ready to be used. So let's go ahead, we check the RAM of this phone and the storage. So this one comes with in two types, one with 3 GB RAM with 32 storage, internal storage, another one 4 GB RAM with 64 GB storage. So this one, the one I'm holding now, it has 3 GB RAM with 32 internal storage. It comes with Android 11 because this was released here in 2021 in August. So if we are to check, it comes also with the on version of 3.1 UI. Yes. So this one, it supports also the micro card. If you buy the one of 32, you can buy internal, you can buy external micro card. You put this one also. Yeah, so it's really a nice phone compared to other phones which are cheap, especially the one which are below A20 and the M20. So this one, it has fingerprints here. The fingerprints are not embedded in the screen or backside. They are here on the power button, and they are fast also. Yes, so it comes with a 15 watts charger. So if you want a phone which can which you can charge within 30 minutes, it goes to 70%. This is the one. Then the cons about this phone and pros, if we are to talk about the pros, this phone, it has really a nice battery. It has a nice battery, 5000. Samsung has now started increasing the battery sizes. So it has a battery of 5000. It can take you almost for, as you can see here, it's a 5000 milliamperes. It has also 4G network. If you want 3G, you can also switch to 3G. So it supports both 4G and the 3G. Yeah, so that's all about this phone. The cons, guys, I don't have much as the con to talk about it, but for me, I've liked it, so I've considered it as a budget phone for this month. If you are interested in buying a cheap phone which can support 2 SIM cards and the micro card, then this is the phone you can consider buying. So to check on the SIM cards here, it supports nano SIM cards and the micro SD, both SIM1 and SIM2 on the left side. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.